Both individually and together, Dr Simon Poole and Dr Stephen Frisken have contributed to the development and commercialisation of advanced optical components and subsystems which support the internet.
Steve is an incredible physicist who really understands light from the very basic fundamentals right the way through to how it's used in optical communication systems.
Simon always is looking at how to make sure that the technology is appropriate for the marketplace. Always puts the customer's perspective on things.
Their research and inventions have become critical components in the speed and reach of high-capacity optical communications networks, and their new technologies have generated hundreds of millions of dollars for the Australian economy. In the 1980s, Dr Poole was one of the inventors of the Erbium-Doped Fibre Amplifier, which has been described as a key technology that underpins the internet.
The key to being an innovator is to listen to people, hear their ideas, synthesise with your own, and then take those into a product, into the market.
Dr Poole founded the Optical Fibre Technology Centre at the University of Sydney, where in 1989 he received commission to research Fibre Bragg Gratings, or FBGs. Following a successful research discovery, Dr Poole left the OFTC in 1995 and founded Indx to commercialise his work on FBGs for use in telecommunications systems.
Indx's speciality in FBGs was to write the FBG in the fibre and then package it very carefully in such a way that it was immune to external influences like temperature or strain. The Fujitsu contract was for FBGs for an undersea cable system, SeaMiWi 3, that ran from Japan through Asia and up into Europe.
At the completion of the contract in December 1997, Indx was acquired by Uniphase Corporation, subsequently JDS Uniphase, for $6.3 million, with its revenue peaking at over $100 million per annum in 2001.
We were producing an optical filter that filters out the signals in fibre optic components. We specialised in undersea networks. We had over 50% market share.
At the time, when Dr Poole established the OFTC, Dr Stephen Frisken had commenced his career with the highly innovative research and development group at the Overseas Telecommunications Commission, which was investing heavily in the emerging field of submarine optically amplified links, and had commissioned the OFTC Fibre Bragg Grating research.
So in 2000, Nortel Networks were interested in introducing a new 40 gigabit per second multi-wavelength system into the marketplace.
In this role, Dr Frisken successfully developed and patented a number of inventions now viewed as critical to the next generation of multi-wavelength high-speed transmission systems. Recognising the overlap in their research and development interests, Dr Poole and Dr Frisken, along with a small team of others, founded Engana in 2001. Engana, now known as Finisar Australia, develops and manufactures wavelength selective switches which enable different wavelengths of light to be switched between optical fibres. Dr Poole and Dr Frisken conduct ongoing research of Finisar's technologies at the Centre for Ultra-High Bandwidth Devices for Optical Systems at the University of Sydney.
Central to the Finisar product is the liquid crystal on silicon technology, and it is a wonderful little chip that relies on liquid crystals to control light. We've used it in the development of the wave shaper technology as a collaborative project with Finisar.
Finisar's innovative technologies have significantly enhanced global network carrying capacities, and they are now the world leader in wavelength selective switch manufacturing for optical networks.
Finisar has had an impact in Australia through the export revenues we've generated, several $100 million of exports.
Since the 1980s, Dr Poole and Dr Frisken have made seminal contributions to the field of optical communications research and have been Australia's most successful commercialisers of new technologies which have shaped the functionality of the internet worldwide.
Simon and Steve are obviously superb leaders. They mentor their staff well. They're providing their students a great opportunity to become entrepreneurs themselves.